Do you know that if you treat a child the way you treat other children, that child will be happy and there will be peace? When a child is crying and is pointing at a particular place, just know that if the mother is not there, the father is there. A few days ago, Nigerian Education Loan Fund, aka NELFUND, rolled out names of 20 higher institutions that benefited from the loan, and the institutions from the Southeast were excluded from that list. How come and what happened? Are you sure that the southeastern part of Nigeria is still part of Nigeria? I think there should be a proper explanation to this, because this is unacceptable. You rolled out 20 names of institutions that benefited from the NELFUND. Out of the 20 names, none of them were from the Southeast. This is not acceptable at all. Or is it a plot to deprive the Igbos from education? I need an answer to this. Somebody should answer me, because this is how former President Muhammadu Buhari started. Look at all the appointments that Buhari made when he was in office, and gradually President Bola Ahmed Tinubu have started it, because I saw some of his recent appointments. You hardly see appointments that were headed by the Igbos. Sometimes you hardly see Igbos being appointed in some of these offices, just like the way Buhari started his own. I need an answer to this. Where is Umahi and number 6 Kalu? You people should come forward. I need an explanation to this, because I remembered vividly again at the beginning of this year when Igbo's properties were being destroyed in Lagos and Abuja. You guys made no comment. When so many injustices were being meted to the Igbos, number 6 Kalu and Umahi were nowhere to be found. Today, the NELFUND has rolled out 20 names of higher institutions that benefited from the NELFUND. The institutions from the Southeast were nowhere to be found, and number 6 Kalu and Umahi are not talking. They have become mute all of a sudden. This is unacceptable. Number 6 Kalu came out the other day to tell us that he is the number 6 person in Nigeria, and for that he is going to take over Abia, or that APC is going to take over Abia from Labour Party. Unbelievable. Umahi and number 6 Kalu have suddenly remained silent. They are not talking again. They did not see the act of injustice in something like this. That is why they remain mute. This is nowhere for them to talk. There is no injustice meted to the Igbos at all in this matter. That is why the both of them have remained silent. If you are Igbo, what is happening in Nigeria today should give you sense, and you must listen to Evangelist Ebukobi, because Ebukobi is making sense. Going by what is happening in Nigeria today, the Igbos are being marginalized. They are not saying it again, they are now acting it out. If you can roll out names of 20 institutions and you excluded the Southeast, what are you telling them? That you don't want them, that they should return home. This is why you must listen to Evangelist Ebukobi. Take your investment back home. There is no place like home. Onya ajula ajo ada ajo onwe ya. Think about this.